Hi guys, welcome to our channel. And in this short video, what we are going to look into is about Docker containers. And if you are familiar with Docker containers, at least we can play with some of the commands which can be used for Docker containers. So this is a Linux Mint machine, and which we have already installed Docker in it. And so we are just going to look for what are the Docker images installed in it and what are the Docker images running in this Linux Mint machine. So we already Docker is installed here. So let me just type in some of the few basic commands. Okay, one of the command is docker ps. This will list any Docker images running on this Linux Mint machine, and there is nothing running right now. So, and the next command which I'm going to show you is docker images. This will list what are the images you are currently having on your machine, Docker images which you have already downloaded basically from the Docker sites. So this is one of the command which is very useful, is docker images, which you can always type in. And also in docker ps, there is a command called docker ps -a. What is the advantage of this command? Is basically it will show you already you might have run some containers and you would have stopped those containers. Okay, like in this one you can see that I have been using this server 1, server 3, server 2, again server 1 here. These are the Docker containers which I am running, and under the network Ansible. Let me format this screen because it looks very jumbled here, so it's not clear enough. So let me look for how we can, so it's more okay. Now the command which is to start docker container start. I will start the server 1 for example. So it's started now. If you want to check it whether it's running or not, you can check with the docker ps. So it started and then it's running. So now you want to connect to this image or the server, and we have already added this in the host file with the IP address. If you want to look into it, server 1, server 2. So server 1 IP is 21, so I can log into this SSH as a test user or root user, whatever it is, test at server 1. So you are now in the server 1. So it's, you can say df -h here. This is what is there in the server 1, and then put ls, and you can look for cat etc most files on this machine. This is server 1. So Docker is very small image. I'm not sure you can have ifconfig -a on this. No, there's no command called ifconfig. And let me also check the ping of ping is there. No, ping also not found. So just it's a sample of one of the Docker containers. Now you want to exit. Now you're back to this your earlier server, and you say docker ps docker container Docker PS is running here, and I want to stop this server. Docker container stop server 1. So now I stopped the server 1, and the server 1 was IP was 21, right? Now let me look for to start the server 2 here. You can start server 2 start. Server 2 started. Now you look for the Docker PS. You see server 2 is started and running, and you can see that server 1 container ID was this, and this one is this. And then let me log in also server 2, log into that test server 2. You log into this server. If you have a question now, we can look for etc/host file in this, and it's server this one, and you can -h, and you are in server 2. And if you want to run server 3, I will start server 3. So you have now server 3. You can check it docker -ps. There server 2 and 3 is running. And if you want to start server 4, you can say server 4 also you can start, and again I'll start server 1 also. So now if you look at docker ps, your 4 servers running here. Okay, these are some basic commands which you learned on Docker containers. We will end this session, and we will see more detail in coming videos. Thank you.